friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE. Today I'm giving you a sneak peek of my home office. Due to the current times, most of us are all working from home, and it helps when you are working at home if you are working in a calm and relaxing space, a space that is fresh and clean. And today's video is sponsored by HIMOX. HIMOX and I partnered together, and they have sent me this wonderful air purifier. I love its sleek design. It's white. I love its rose gold detail. It matches my office decor perfectly, and it does an awesome job. As you can see, it has an electronic sensor, and it is continually sensing the air quality. Currently, it's set at blue, and it switches back and forth between blue and green. Blue means good air quality and green means ordinary. So I love this little air purifier. It is very easy to operate and very easy to open and clean the filter. Okay, so I've plugged the air filter in, and as you can see, it has several different modes. It has a reset, a child lock. It has a timer, a sleep mode. You can control the speed of the fan and the on-off button. So we are now going to turn it on, and it comes on. And the light indicator tells you what type of air quality you have. And blue is an indication of very good. So that's great. That's what we want. So it also comes with this easy manual that tells you all about the product, and I think it's great. We're all working from home, and we all need a little more fresh air. We're not getting outside as much, so we want the air quality in our home to be better than normal. The HIMOX air filter has 3 filters in one. It has a pre-filter, a HEPA filter, and a carbon filter. So it's perfect. It eliminates pollutants like smoke, pollen, and particulate matter. Also, it helps with pet dander, hair fibers, anything like that you may find in your home. With the cold and flu season also coming up, it is the perfect time to also get an air purifier. You want to make your air as clean as possible, especially in this date and time. We know work can be stressful sometimes, and being at home sometimes it creates a little more stress. So I love turning on my diffuser. Currently I am using Mountain Rain, and guys, it smells so good. It is so relaxing, and it's great to have that on those days when work has become very stressful and hectic. This one I bought for my office at work. It plugs into a USB port, and I was using it in my computer there. And since I am no longer in the office, I brought it home, and I am using it currently in my home laptop. And as I said, guys, it smells wonderful. So if you are also working from home, you really need to get an air diffuser. It smells so great, and it relieves so much stress and puts you in a much better mood. My home office is very small, and as such I have several different zones that I make work for me. Here I'm showing you my cozy corner. After a long day of work, I like to sit here and relax and just chill, smell the air diffuser, and let the worries of the day wash away. I have this mirrored cabinet that I DIY'd myself. And above, I have the Lord's Prayer that always keeps me grounded. I am a dreamer, planner, and optimist. I have to have that in my office. There is my crafting station. I am a glam girl at heart, so I had to include some glam on my crafting side. I'm showing you my sewing machine and my Cricut. On this side, I have my TV station. I have my TV and music that I listen to, and a fireplace that helps me relax during those winter days. So here is where I actually do my work. I love my desk. It's very functional, and I love my chair. I want to put things around me that put me in a really good mood, and as such, I like my office to look pretty. So I've added a marble lamp. I've ordered crystal scissors, just things to look at that I think look really pretty. As you can see, I have my boss lady sign because, of course, I'm the boss in my office. Or at least I like to think so. My boyfriend may say something different. But anyway, I really like my home office. And I know that we are all working from home, and as such, not all of us have our own designated workspaces. So, whatever space you have, make sure it is cozy and comfortable for you so you can relax and do your work from home. So I want to thank HIMOX for sending me this air purifier. I greatly appreciate it. We are all working from home and we all need better quality air in our homes, especially during this time. So thank you so much, HIMOX. I will leave a link for their product down below. You can find it on Amazon. And I hope you have enjoyed today's video, and I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, friends.